We're at Red Bull Racing for this weekend's Russian Grand Prix, and we were told we have to broadcast from MK7, which is our event space. But I've been here since day one. Mark was responsible for 4 of the Constructors' World Championships. So we're breaking out. No one's going to tell us where to go, so I'm taking you right into the heart of the team and into reception area and what is a large-scale trophy cabinet.
It's extraordinary, mate. When I first came here, when you first came here, there wasn't a trophy cabinet. There was not a trophy cabinet here. DC got the ball rolling with 2. Off all the back of your McLaren success, mate, which was extraordinary because you brought so much good information, and sort of the journey we went on as a team here was phenomenal. Pound for pound, what this team did in such a short period was extraordinary. And there's all the fruits of their efforts, mate, which is extraordinary.
Yeah, it's great stuff. Now, I don't know about you, but I want to take our great audience behind the scenes. So do you still remember the name and number of Adrian and Christian's office?
I've got it, yeah. I think it's 111 88463. Well, mate, it hasn't changed at all, has it? It just has not changed at all.
Well, it changed a little bit. This used to be Stewart Grand Prix, and Jackie Stewart used to have nice tartan carpet. Oh, it's beautiful.
Very Scottish, mate.
It was indeed.
Very Scottish.
And they've taken off the code. Just shoulder the door.
There's only one convict here, mate. It can only be in one place. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, your devious mind, the old key under the rock routine.
Go, mate. Off you go, champ.
Thank you. Yep, well, the little squirt here, and then straight into Christian's office.
Oh, getting some feelings.
I have had a few things in here. So Christian's desk, a few family shots here.
That's nice, isn't it?
I'm feeling the power. You must have had a in here when you crashed with Sev in Turkey.
Turkey, 2010, mate. That was a pretty tricky conversation. I saw Christian at his probably most pent up, let's say, and understandably so. Yeah, I had many a time up here, mate. Sometimes good and bad. You got the regs there?
Yeah, technical and sport and regulations.
You can flick through those.
That controls Formula One.
Yeah.
Look at that. Designs, wings, aero profiles.
I'm not sure CH has got that chapter and verse, but that's right. But mate, talking
Design.
about design and chapter and verse, the guy that we had so much success with over both of our careers, as we steam through here, and unusual to have team principal and chief designer, let's say, in Adrian Newey in the same sort of, well, this close to each other, isn't it, mate? But this is Adrian Newey's office. How many people would want to be in here? This is extraordinary, guys. We get access into Adrian's office, and it's old school. Drawing board is still well and truly in play, and you're going to get involved, mate?
My victories came through Adrian Newey's design, so I'm going to put DC loves Adrian.
But, I mean, you're going to give me a little surface.
I think you call this a tickler.
That's a tickler.
That's a tickler, yeah, look at that, nice aero surface.
Well, actually, look at that. I've just done what Adrian does, actually. Because he's left-handed, he actually smudges his work. So, yeah, the guy, what he's achieved, mate, I mean, generations.
Look at all those designs. All there,
Yep.
all to be enjoyed.
Look at that. Wow.
Great, isn't it?
Extraordinary.
Right, should we go and have a little spin around the factory?
Great access there, mate. Well done. I don't know where else we can get, though.
You've got the key to the place, so let's go. So we've seen the design office. Let's go and see where it's manufactured.
What do we do, mate?
We've got some toys. Red Bull always have
Red
them.
Bull deliver the toys.
Andiamo! Wow. Oh.